Keeping your hard floors spotless does not have to be a struggle anymore. In today's video, we are diving into the top 5 hard floor cleaner machines 2025. Quiet, efficient, and self-cleaning. Perfect solutions for anyone looking to make cleaning faster, smarter, and way less exhausting. Whether you are tackling pet messes, sticky spills, or everyday dirt, these machines are built to deliver sparkling results on every type of hard surface. All product links are in the description below. Now let's get started with the video. Taking the #1 spot is the Hoover FloorMate Hard Floor Cleaner Machine, a lightweight yet powerful solution designed specifically for sealed hard floors. Whether you are cleaning hardwood, tile, vinyl, or laminate, this corded cleaner offers the convenience and performance needed to maintain spotless surfaces with minimal effort. The FloorMate Deluxe features a dual cleaning mode system. Wash mode activates the spin scrub brushes to gently but effectively scrub away dirt while simultaneously suctioning excess water. And dry mode halts the brushes to quickly remove moisture, significantly reducing drying time. These spin scrub brushes are designed to be tough on grime while staying safe for delicate floor finishes, providing a thorough yet gentle clean every time. One of its standout features is the dual tank technology, which keeps clean and dirty water completely separate. This ensures that you are always cleaning with fresh water, avoiding cross-contamination and improving overall results. The machine also includes a sample bottle of Hoover's premium hard floor cleaning solution to get you started right away. With fingertip controls for effortless mode switching and a lightweight build for easy maneuverability, the Hoover FloorMate Deluxe offers a perfect balance of power and convenience. It is an ideal choice for anyone seeking a quiet, efficient, and self-cleaning machine that truly refreshes your home's hard floors with professional-grade performance. Coming in at #2 is the Tineco Floor One S5 Smart Vacuum Cleaner, a cutting-edge cordless floor cleaner that redefines the way you tackle hard floor messes. This innovative device is a smart 2-in-1 vacuum and mop system specifically designed to handle both wet and dry spills with ease. Whether it's a sticky kitchen mess or everyday dust, the Tineco Floor One S5 adapts automatically using its iLoop smart sensor technology. This intelligent system monitors the level of dirt and debris in real time and adjusts the suction power, water flow, and brush roller speed for optimal cleaning efficiency. You never have to guess the settings, it thinks for you. The exclusive brush roller is engineered for precision edge cleaning, allowing it to glide close to baseboards and into corners that many other cleaners miss. Floors dry quickly and without streaks, ensuring a polished finish every time. A major upgrade over its predecessor, the Tineco Floor One S5 features a clean water tank that is 30% larger, enabling uninterrupted cleaning of larger areas. Its dual tank system ensures that clean and dirty water are kept completely separate, so you are always mopping with fresh solution. One of the biggest highlights is its fully hands-free self-cleaning function. At the push of a button, the machine flushes the internal tubes and brush roller to remove buildup and grime. No manual rinsing required. It even includes a centrifugal drying feature to eliminate excess moisture from the brush after use. Claiming the #3 slot is the Bissell Crosswave Pet Pro Vacuum Cleaner, a powerful and convenient multi-surface cleaner designed with pet owners in mind. This all-in-one machine eliminates the need to vacuum and mop separately by vacuuming and washing your floors simultaneously, saving you both time and effort. Engineered to handle everything from dry debris to wet messes, it's ideal for tile, sealed hardwood, laminate, linoleum, rubber floor mats, pressed wood floors, and even area rugs. Its tangle-free brush roll is a standout feature, minimizing pet hair wrap while thoroughly scrubbing floors for a deeper clean. Combined with the specialized pet multi-surface formula with Febreze, it not only removes grime and stains, but also helps eliminate pet odors, leaving your home fresh and clean. The Bissell Crosswave Pet Pro is equipped with an on-demand formula trigger that lets you apply just the right amount of cleaning solution when needed. Fingertip controls make it easy to transition between different floor types, offering a seamless experience as you move from hard surfaces to rugs. Like the best in its class, it features two-tank technology to ensure that you are always cleaning with a fresh mix of water and formula while keeping dirty water separate. A unique pet hair strainer helps you easily dispose of pet hair and debris without clogging your sink. Post-cleaning maintenance is just as efficient. Thanks to the included rinse and clean out storage tray, you can flush and store the brush rollers with minimal hassle.
At number 4, the Oreck Orbiter Hard Floor Cleaner Machine makes a strong impression as a commercial-grade solution for versatile and intensive floor care. Unlike traditional floor cleaners that only mop or vacuum, the Orbiter is a multi-purpose powerhouse that sands, refinishes, strips, scrubs, waxes, and polishes a wide variety of surfaces, from hardwood and tile to concrete, grout, and even carpet. Whether you are restoring aged floors or giving them a maintenance clean, this machine delivers professional-grade performance at home. What makes it unique is its random orbital drive system, which allows the brush head to rotate in a non-directional pattern. This ensures an even, swirl-free finish and prevents brush marks, gouges, or sanding lines, especially valuable when working on delicate surfaces like hardwood or polished tile. The Oreck Orbiter is also perfect for small and tight spaces, such as bathrooms, under sinks, and compact kitchens, where larger machines may struggle to fit. It excels in dry carpet cleaning, lifting dirt from deep within fibers without using excessive moisture, thus avoiding soapy residue and minimizing the risk of rapid resoiling. Its ability to buff and polish hardwood floors while also scrubbing ceramic tile and removing oil stains from concrete makes it one of the most flexible tools on the market. Whether you are dealing with sticky kitchen messes, scuffed floors, or dingy grout lines, this machine has a specialized approach for each. Its sturdy build and stick-style design make it easy to maneuver despite its commercial strength. Wrapping up our list at number 5 is the Bissell Crosswave Turbo Vacuum Mop, a powerful and time-saving floor cleaning solution that combines vacuuming and washing into one effortless step. Designed for multi-surface use, this all-in-one cleaner is safe and effective on tile, sealed hardwood, laminate, linoleum, area rugs, rubber floor mats, and more. Whether you are dealing with pet hair, food spills, or everyday grime, the Crosswave Turbo offers a faster, deeper clean compared to a traditional sponge mop and bucket. What sets this model apart is its enhanced suction and brush roll speed, allowing it to tackle even the messiest floors with impressive efficiency. It ensures every inch of your floor gets a thorough clean, removing both wet and dry debris in a single pass. The Bissell Crosswave Turbo features the brand's signature two-tank technology, which keeps clean water and formula separate from dirty water and debris. This means you're always cleaning with a fresh solution, enhancing both hygiene and effectiveness. Its antimicrobial Fresh Start filter adds another layer of cleanliness, helping to prevent odors from building up inside the machine. The ergonomic handle and intuitive controls make it easy to maneuver and switch between surfaces, allowing you to transition from hard floors to area rugs without missing a beat. In addition to high-performance cleaning, Bissell emphasizes a mission-driven approach. Every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation and its efforts to rescue homeless pets.